Well, affordable housing obviously would be one of them. The other two is a little bit different. I feel like right now the growth is a little bit too fast. The staff doesn't have time to take care of the normal duties that I think they should be part of and whatever. I think we look a little bit harder at the developments as they come. And I think we need to focus on that, a little bit more. And traffic's probably the other one. I know we need some more east-west corridors. We need to push them to say, we got to accelerate this and get those overpasses and stuff going in so the traffic will flow.